gluten-free buckwheat cakes. Buckwheat cakes are superior to rice cakes because they deliver a complete protein and more fiber, while maintaining a much lower glycemic index for stable energy. Melt a few pieces of dark chocolate, over 70%, ideally 85%. Freeze for 10 minutes. It is important to choose almond butter without additives or oils. I will leave my favorite products from this video in the description. Check them out. Pumpkin seed butter is an exceptional source of magnesium, zinc, and plant-based protein. Choose peanut butter without oils. Has to be just peanuts and salt. Thank you for watching.